another edition of Gunman 66. We're back in the desert. Got a really fun video for you guys today. But before I get to shooting, I'm going to show you what I found down here. We're going to shoot it first. Alright, man, we found this here skull. Now I'm thinking, kinda, looks like it may be a sheep skull to me. I'm not really sure. Maybe it's this guy right here, his brother. You think it's his brother? I don't know, but you see, he's still got his skull. So, this must be another one. We are going to see if we can obliterate this skull, and I'll show you what we're going to be using. Okay, we have got my 44 mag right here. This happens to be my Henry. It is a single shot. It is open sights, and that thing is way down there, so let's see if we can hit it using this PMC bronze. Should be a lot of fun. See what we can do. This should be a fun day out here. It's that PMC. I love that PMC. It's a good looking ammo. Open that up. Plug one in. Let's see what happens. Woo! That, my boys, is fun. Let's go look at that skull, shall we? Well, I know I hit it a couple times. We busted it up right there. And I see a spot right here where we got it. Now for the real target. We got ourselves a jug, a gallon jug of spicy mayo dressing. The mascot sitting right on top. Let's give it a shot. That was a PMC 44 mag. You saw what it did. This next one is a Underwood 44 special. It's a special, but I think it's got more power than the 44 mags. We're going to shoot the exact same thing, another jug of spicy mayo. Let's see if it makes any difference. Well, as you can see, that 44 special was definitely different than the 44 mag. I've got a couple more jugs. We're going to try the same test again. We'll shoot one with 44 mag, and we'll shoot the second one, sorry about that, with the 44 special, and you be the judge. For the jug of Golden Spicy Brown, we have got a PMC bronze 44 mag. Let's see what happens. Whoa! Holy Moses! Like I said, that brown mustard puts on a show. That was awesome. Now, that was the mag. We're gonna put in a Underwood ammo 44 special, shoot the next one, see what happens. We've got a jug of Hellman's Light Italian dressing, a whole gallon. We are going to shoot this Underwood 44 special, and let's see what happens. Folks, I gotta tell you, I am now no longer impressed with the 44 special. Even though it's Underwood, and Underwood's usually a hotter load, yeah, it just doesn't do the damage that that 44 mag does. So, it'll probably do the job on a critter or something, whatever, but it's just not gonna put on a good show for a gallon of mayonnaise, a gallon of dressing, or a gallon of mustard. You guys have a fantastic day. We'll see you next time.